Hello everyone, got another set of Korean product trial kit here. I'll be going to open it and let's check what's inside. I have 3 different brands, Mamonde, Neitrepublic, and Innisfree. First, I'll open this Innisfree Jeju Lava Seawater Kit. This is a moisture boosting anti-aging line fermented with Jeju Lava Seawater. Never tried this. I got all this kit as a gift from my purchases. I keep it for a while, but now we'll be going to use it along with my mother. I'll note down in the description some important details of each product. Set includes skin, or I use it as a toner, or you can even just tap it on your face. Then there's lotion, essence, and cream. Next is this Neitrepublic Snail Solution Kit. Well, Snail is known for its anti-aging properties, and it stimulates skin repair and healing while protecting the skin. This set is rich in mucus filtrate, suits the rough skin, and balances the skin. Set includes skin booster, emulsion, essence, and cream. And lastly, one of my favorite toner, Mamonde or Mamonde flower toner kit. I've been talking even in my last video of Korean products, this Mamonde rose water toner. I've been loving it so much, but I got here total of 5 different flower toner, one each of rose water, which I really love, then aqua peel, chamomile, flower honey, and pore clean toner. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video too. Have a nice day ahead and see you on my next video. Bye!